Nandito kami sa Chamber Sand. Nandito kami sa mga caravan at mag-weekend kami rito.
Magsisimsot din. Oo.
What are you doing, man?
Let's drink Coca-Cola. Come on. Let's drink Coca-Cola.
Nakakaroon ka ng idea. Ito din yung kay mama.
Kakasad mo lang para di mainit.
Oh.
Pero di ba may nagbebenta ng ganyan sa Pilipinas? Yung mga container bag?
Pati yung kumeta doon, no? May gumamit na.
Paggawa ka ng ganito,
Up and down.
kahit 2,000, isang buwan, 3,000.
Up and down.
Ah, renta din. Ano, gala ka din. Mura na lang di 3,000 na. Gawa karto na din. May pindas pa eh. Ganda naman ang pagkagawa nito, no?
Tignan niya.
Look at down here. Look at down here.
May bathtub pa din. Diyan, may bathtub na.
Ilaw dyan, oh. Oh! Teka, sandali. Hindi mo ilaw dito. Dali. Madulas kaya ito. Ito,
Oh, you're troublemakers. Let's go.
Asa yung saksaran dito?
Come on, let's go play with you.
Ayan.
Ano manggaw?
Yeah.
Ah, ito pala manggaw.
No, that was it. I don't know what. I thought this is safe.
Mamaya pag lumabas kayo.
Oh, oh yeah.
Uni, you take a bath na.
Paliguan
You,
mo.
kuya. No, you take a bath lang. You stay here. Take a bath. So you feel fresh.
Oh, what will you say?
Saan ba ito?
Thank you, mommy. Mommy, the Wi-Fi is not good.
What can I do? Dalawa lang.
Retirement house na.
Good morning! Good morning, good morning!
Anong niluluto nyo?
Luto kami ng sausage.
So that Liam will stay here na. With your adding. She's crying.
Yung pato.
Wala kayong mom dito? Netflix?
Sabi na, yung sister is sleep.
Kuya, daddy will go to the toilet. Come here.
She needs to sleep a lot.
Yeah.
Huh? Let's go to the beach. Hi, my ladybird. I'm here. We're ready. I have a tail.
Ilang pancake? Ilan?
Your tita is
O yan. O, Yoro. Tawag dito.
Huh?
Chair.
Why did you make the same for me?
Oh.
For you, say thank you to love.
Like that to eat.
Oh, thank you.
hold the plate.
Like this. It's
Hold the plate.
easy.
There, let's sit there.
You get your chair.
The chair's upstairs. Let's take you.
Slow tide siya. Di ako mo.
Oo. Tabi ito ng parking.
Kaya, careful.
Tingnan natin mag-overthink.
Diba? Tapos bukas may breakfast pa tayo. Tapos may ano pa tayo, wraps pa tayo, yung chicken. Wala na tayong chicken, ha?
Ang dami.
Oo, ira-wraps to. No? Tapos may sweet and sour kayo, diba? Oo. Ayun. Ayun, wala tayong vegetables. Ha?
Baka gusto mo pagkaiga ako, nakatulog na ako.
How is it? Yum? How is it?
Video ko. Pakita ko to. Mayak-yak siya. Malala niya yung work.
Saan pala niya?
Oo, buti nga kung ang ganito ni ate.
I don't think so.
Hot chocolate.
Ano na yan?
Okay na. Hindi nakalimutan ni mama yung standard niya dito. Yung sa camera. Don't shake the table, ah. Okay. Sit
Why?
here.
Why? Why?
Accidentally touched that Peter with.
Wow.
Thank you po. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Ready to eat. O, ito, upo na kayo doon. Upo na dito. Nilalagay ko yung...
Ay, kagaling. Ang kape ko.
Saan yung kape mo? Wala kang kape dito.
Doon nga.
Nakabukas to?
Oo, okay.
Hindi, nakasara yan. Oh.
Oni, do you want to try? Oni, do you want to try?
Panda?
Oni.
Hey, did you go to the party last night?
Oni blind?
What?
Is Oni blind?
Only, those are hot. Only.
Look at that.
Init yan ah.
Ano yung isa?
Ay, wala naman pala siyang plato. Kala ko may...
May sinusubuan siya nila yun.
Yum, oh.
Bakit yung ayos nito?
Hindi pa.
Ata.
Bakit ang karton nila like one, amoy ganun pa rin.
Ito play to eh. Play red. Ano? Amoy?
Yung karton nyo, nung
Amoy kulog.
dumating tayo, ganun pa rin yung amoy.
Mm,
Hindi pa
amoy-
lumalabas,
amoy-
no?
Dun sa may ulingan ko ka. Gabi.
Oh, may multo.
Ang hindi. Mapanghi ng ano. Ang sa may tuktok niya. Ang kabla.
Panghi? Baka may matandang natulog.
Yung mama, yung pala aso.
Panghi.
Una kayo.
Hoy.
Ano? Sige na, ito oh.
Buti na lang, nagkuha tayong ganito, no? Pancake. You're cold?
You can cold.
We go inside muna.
Go inside mo lang.
Okay, I will ask Lola's blanket to...
Yeah, sister is waiting for your...
Ako po, okay na po ako.
Gusto niyo pa ng pancake?
Hindi na.
Like, kunin mo yung isang...
Saan?
Gusto mo yung hot chocolate? Isa pa.
Hindi na ako mo.
Okay na po.
I got your... Wait, I will get the knife. Anyways, like this na lang. Oh, wait, so you can bring out your...
Okay. Time to go home.
Pakita natin yung masarap natin ulam. May sausage.
Opo.
Hintayin nyo lang, sandali, upo lang muna kayo.
Still early.
Yes. Still early ko yun. Fireworks. May nagpapaputok ng kala... Oops.
Dad, Kuya. Kuya.
Wow, social ng breakfast.
Your favorite.
Favorite.
Quiet ka naman.
Sausage. Give me it. Ah. Kuya, your sausage. Your favorite. Come on.
Oh, may plate yan, may plate.
Di, ito mo. Meron na dito.
Yo.
Diam sausage. Malaya
Tapos yan pala may araw no.
Look at her. Eating them.
Ay, yung mga sunod.
Wow, it actually smells good. Red
Careful, Kuya.
Here.
Ang gamit nga din mo.
Okay, just get my
Usap.
Kapag nakakatingin pa naman siya ganun sa akin. Itlog to.
Ayan.
May palaman.
Lalagyan, yung palaman tayo na. Yan, mainit yung tinapay, oh. Mainit.
Ito. Alaman.
Sarap ng pancake, ah. Only finish your sausage.
Ma, lunch na po yan.
Ayan, kumain kayo, eh.
Lunch.
Kumain na kayo.
Sabi bang klase yung lunch, yung breakfast naman ng mga
Napaka-heavy naman. Napaka-heavy.
heavy breakfast.
Heavy.
Nasok na to.
Para naman pinabayaan ka na. Uy, hindi ka dito.
Pinabayaan. Napabayaan.
Yung kapit-bahay natin. Ayan na. Nagsubo na dun. Ang kanahon. Ito yan, putit dun.
I'm going to hold it.
Binuksan mo na nga, eh.
Fried chicken.
De, ano po? Yan, tinapay di.
Lamig na.
What does it be?
There's a bee daw.
The wall.
Wasp.
Kamo yan, okay. Sarap nga yung pancake mo.
Kaya nga, buti nga na-con natin eh. Ha?
Yung nakuha natin.
Oo.
Saladel.
At may pang
Sa
umagahan.
ano, Emilis. Ayun din eh.
Ano pong palaman nyo ba? Ito po, oh. Hotdog.
Pagkat na yung...
Nilabas na nga yung manok ko.
Ganun, tumingin na isa.
Tumingin na yung kayo. Ano, ang aga-aga, mainihaw na yata. At ano pong, ano niya, sauce?
Ano, okay ba? Kulang yung tinapay?
Hindi po, ang dami naman. Para po nag-lunch na tayo.
Kuya, let's eat the... Dito ako upo para hindi ako makita.
The youngest one.
Isang tinapay lang.
Ang dahil.
Yeah.
Pato. Ang lalawap kain. Yan ang kainin natin.
Walang nasa itlog na itlog na mahaba.
Yun o, lalagyan ng gano'n. Ano yung ginagamit ko? Ito ba yun? Ang juicy. Juicy. Doon yung pula. Doon ilalagay.
Anong pula?
Oo, yan. Sa Willy.
Let's do that.
Kuya, it's coming. Yummy. Then you will have your...
Dami na tignan nyo lang yung ano. Biglang magdalib yung mga
Dalaga na.
Kuya, wait.
Kami kailangan mo na nakagraduate ng university bago kami punta.
Girl.
Sila pwede na pag-isip.
Diba? Nakaluto na. Punta kami ng Sandersan.
Sanderson.
Cambersan pala. Wag yung...
Ulit
Pangat
na.
naman ang suot mo sa ulo, boy.
Punta kami sa...
Para kang...
May tunga-tunga sa ulo.
Wala nang content. Wala nang stock. Mabenta dyan, no? Kasi yan lang naman kasi bilihan. Apple and banana.
Kaya ako nagsapatos kasi mamaya matagpang pa ako pag hindi ako nagsapatos. Lang.
Ha?
Lulutuin ko na lang.
Lutuin na lang.
Diba? Lulutuin na lang natin yung breakfast.
Heavy nga ng breakfast natin kanina eh.
Oo nga, sarap. Oh my time. Dito tayo sa kabila. Dito tayo sa kabila. Siyempre, dito. May pambayad sila dyan.
Ganda ng kanila.
Yan mo, iba-ibang kulay. Oh. Yan, pabit-bit na.
Kaya nga eh.
Mahirapan ka dyan. Dito na pa.
Ah, here your cut.
Gamitin mo na para hindi mainitan yung ulo mo.
See the sea.
Dito na yun, mama.
Oo. Low tide.
I told you.
Init.
Dapat din tayo sa kabila para may ganun, no?
May lisay lang. Ay, ano po yan, ma? May bato yan?
Ano ba sila?
Opo.
Hindi natin nadala yung payong. Yung pag-uupuan lang natin ang dala-dala natin. Oo, di ba ako? Okay yung online. Kasi nakatapaat.
Aray, sakit sa paa.
Doon, buhangin doon.
Oh, lakad tayo doon na doon. Tayo sa doon. Liam! This way!
Tapon hanggang dito lang kagabi, hanggang dito lang.
Wow! Low tide.
Why you still wearing socks? Why you still wearing socks? Hey.
I found seashell, Daddy.
Okay, show it to them. Here, show it to the
Daddy.
camera. Here, show it to the
found
camera.
one.
Hey, show it to the camera. Ooh.
I'm gonna wash on.
Hala, kalayo.
Tanggalin mo yung medyas niya.
Oh, not the one. Guys.
Yeah, show it to them. Okay, oops. Wait, how?
Wait, let's go to the sea.
Uy, buldit. Buldit!
Maraming tao dun,
Ay, karagol ng buldet.
Oh, that's ano yun, that's why you need to be careful to these are sharp.
Oh, there's a tahong there. Muscle, may muscle.
Yeah, water. Oh, fried. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh.
Ano, nasito?
This thing might be valuable.
Careful, ah.
This thing might be valuable. Yeah? Oh my god, look. Look at the inside. Kita, look at the inside. It's metal.
Uni,
What?
careful of
Mommy,
Wow.
this might be valuable.
Now hold it.
Tito, look, it's shiny.
Make sure you don't step on those.
Wait, can you please like hold this one?
There are sharp
Shiny. Yeah.
shells, okay?
Wait, can you please get the small one? I want
Oh, here, come here. Come on, let's go. Let's keep walking. Just be careful, ha? There are sharp shells. Okay, so be careful what you're stepping, ha?
Tina ko yan, te. Aba.
Gabi mas malaki.
Oo nga eh.
Doon na siguro yung dogo.
Dugong? Saan dugong?
tiny one.
Wow, look, there's a lot. Careful, Uni. You paddle.
Wait, Mommy, can you be it?
Yeah. You think so?
Yeah. Because this looks like.
Oh, ito daw. Ayo.
Dito madami. Iba-iba.
Nakasapatos.
Liam.
Safe ang legs pag sumakit. Yan, ano yan? Ah, may mga butas na malilito. Anong meron dyan?
May mga kanya yung uod. Yung panay, parang yung pan.
Uod?
Yung nilalagyan ng asin.
Ay, nandito.
Oo.
Ito sila, no? Itong may
Oo, sila yan.
Hindi ka na Come here! Ano yung patay na? Patay na.
Dead na.
Look, oh.
Tito killed it. Tito killed it.
Oh,
Killed the crab.
Oh. Hmm? Oh.
Sayad na sayad eh.
said like walk hard if you step on it.
Oh.
I bet that she's
You know, because if this is low tide.
Iyabol mo si Tito.
What happens if it was
Kats
high?
Tito na, Kats Tito. Kats Tito. Kats Tito.
I mean, what happens if it was high?
Come on, quick! Catch Tito!
Nangungalik na pa eh. Abang nangahabol.
Here.
Oo nga, nabuo.
Wow! You will give that to Rainbow? Your rainbow fish?
To give something to Rainbow and...
Yes. Oh.
Waran. Wana, Kats Tito.
Zombie. Naging...
Parang naligas.
Who told you? No way!
Oh. Ooh.
Careful, it's cold.
It's cold here. Oh, okay lang.
I want to see it!
Wow. Come on, show it here.
Mommy, could I like sit in the water?
Tingnan. Yummy seaweed. Pwede natin kainin yan. Ooh, seaweed. No?
Di ba ito yun, no?
Opo. Ito yun mo. Yes, oh, look oh. Wala, nandun na.
Can I sit down?
Kabilis.
But what happened if you can I sit down? I'm gonna be a mommy.
Short na, tapos drip na rin.
Oh, you take off your... I don't drink the water, babe.
Apo, umayan! Umayan! No! Apo! Oh no, waves are coming!
Shield. Oh.
Kailan isuot yung sapatos.
Diyan kayo, Mom.
Hindi dyan, no, sa gitna.
Siya pang pinag-picture mo.
Para pag kasali nga magpipicture din. Oo, huwag ka nung minom. Kasali ka dito. Kasali ba ako? Oo, ino na. Taas mo yung kamay mo din. Kayo! Yan, ganyan. O, ikaw din. Pinopost mo na to. Yan, o. Ikaw din. Picture mo na niya ako dyan, ha. Kasama ako.
Lapit nyo.
Hindi si...
Lapit nyo, tapos pipicturean din namin guys.
Hindi si Aling muna. Tayong apat.
May aling pipiling na sumasama kayo. Oh, lumidikit.
Nasa Dubai pala tayo, guys.
Oo, nag-cold na. Oo.
Tara na.
Nasa Dubai. Nasa Dubai siya. Liam, come on, let's go. We're going. Hey, we're going home.
You want feather?
Yeah, let's go na.
You want feather?
I'm going to be swimming. As you can see, I'm in my swimming suit.
We can have
Hi.
Oh, wait.
Where are you?
Going to MNY, and my parents like booked me in a caravan, and I'm going to go swimming, and my daddy
Hello,
is
I'm
going
here
to
with
Phuket.
I'm here with my son now, and we are going to have a vlog today. It's all about Liam's first day in ride.
No, second.
Second, okay. Second. Mommy, there's some behind you. Oh, here, look. There's some.
I'm going to go to past.
Doon ka na sa dagat mag-swimming Liam.
Let's just do
Doon lang sa dagat.
Pwede siguro. Saan tayo?
Wala yata yung lalabasan niya, no?
Mag-ikot tayo kung ay, pwede pala maglaba dito.
Oh, laba.
Where are you now, kuya?
Where was that
Trampoline.
Are you sure I can go?
Yes,
Free.
yes.
Anyways,
can-
Mommy, can you please?
Give it to daddy. Ano ba siya? Nagpunta. Kuya, you're creating a rainbow. Kuya. Take over. Ayan.
My shirt, there. Huh?
Oh.
My shirt.
Liam, say something. Oh, wait, I need to go. Ano? Wait. Oh.
Hi guys, and I'm going to the beach today. This is my second time going to the same beach because I don't know.
Ay, tayo.
Hindi.
Yes, tayo.
Hindi.
Ibon.
Hindi.
Nataihan niya.
Hindi.
Huh? Huh?
What?
Huh?
Ayan o.
Malagkit.
Hindi.
Sabi niya, swerte yun.
Hindi.
Oh, come on, kuya. Continue. Say.
So we're just going to
yata kanina.
go to the other side of the beach. Me and whoever recorded this video can play.
Hindi, may nagpuan. May dun sa
Bye.
sakyan. Niloko tayo.
Oh, come on. Wait. So what are you going to do?
Play?
Play what?
Play!
Play what?
Play something. Anyways, Mommy, where are we going? We're going nowhere.
No, we're looking for the T20 pa.
Why?
They said they went, on this other side. B. No, we will go to the, we are.
Somewhere.
Trust me.
From beach.
Let's, show.
Bata yan, oh.
Saan? Yung ibon?
Dalawa sa
Ayan. B. Wala kang sasabihin?
Oh, sorry. Hello guys. Kasama ko ngayon si Liam and we're going to the other side of the beach.
Hindi ko makita. Maliwanag
Daddy,
na
what
sabi.
do you mean? We're
Uh,
not going to the beach. We're going completely somewhere
Yeah, we're going.
different than that.
We're going to the other side.
What do you mean?
The sandy side.
Mhm.
You don't believe us? The
Nice
sandy
place.
side.
Where's the sandy time?
That's where we're going. Hindi makita yung mga kahe na hanap na namin yung way papunta sa sandy side. Kuya, I told you,
That
See?
isn't the...
you will see the sandy side.
Yes.
Look at Kuya, Tito, waiting for us.
Wait, no.
That's Tito.
Is that I see? No. No way they woke up Uni and Blanco.
Huh?
No way they woke up Uni and Blanco.
They woke up Uni and brought her. Dapat broth, diba?
B. Ano? Kailan ka? Uwi ka na?
Uwi na. Uwi tayo.
Dapat mag-video ka dun.
Video ka doon. You want me to be a vlogger in the Philippines? I can be a vlogger.
Para? Bakit parang dito tayo Para... Dapat parang dito, tiya.
The top of the hill. I don't know which way.
Balik. Tita is taking it. Oh, here. It's here. Kuya. Oh. See? Sandy side. Oh, wait, Kuya. I think you need to, vlog take over. Come. Aray ko. Wait. Liam. I'll give you this one. Hold it. And here, wait. Here. Wait.
Hi,
Okay, yeah.
hi guys, and they said there's a sandy side. My mom said, and here it is. So let's just go up. Wait, why is the sand actually soft? This
told
is the
you.
type of sand I want.
Yeah.
Show your dad.
Show your dad. Don't show your dad. This is so...
Hello guys. I'm the father of the company.
Wait. Oh.
Hello guys. I'm the father of the company. And we're here
Uy.
on top of the hill.
And it's not
And then
quite
show the
high
way.
for me.
Show the way. Oh, show it. Oh. Show. See?
Wait, can I actually take off my sleepers?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, this one is.
You
Come on,
bought.
and then show here.
Wow, it's very nice.
See? You see the. Oops. Whoopsie.
Wait, why is
Wait,
this?
kuya. Wait, ano? Come on.
Huh?
Careful, you have the ano. Wow. Look.
Oh.
Let's go here.
Daddy, this side.
Oh, you have to go on top. I thought we were going down now.
Let me just
Oh.
see.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
I guess I'm going down.
Tatalino!
Wait, you don't have to be.
Oh, look at that,
Wow,
kuya.
you're in Abu Dhabi.
Okay, I'm gonna close my.
Ay. Naku.
Yeah, go there. Very nice.
Oh.
Napakainit. Uy, kalamig ng ano.
Oh, no?
Kalamig.
Biglang naupo.
Biglang uminit.
Ano itong buhangin na to? Natural lang to, no?
Oo. Aray ko.
Oh, yung bangka. Niloloko mo ba ako? Baka maya yung pag sagwan mo yung papunta doon sa malalim.
May tapak. Picture mo daw si Kuya.
Ha?
Nagrito ako parang Pilipino. Sa Lasingero.
Bakit mo tama sa tabi na nila?
We can walk there, kuya. Oh. I think it's high tide.
Yes.
Wait. Don't run. Oh, your hat, kuya. Give it to me. May gumagamit. Kita niyo yan?
Oh, we are here in Pangasinan.
Nasa Pangasinan na kami.
Napakadaming tao.
Pangasinense.
Paano i-zoom ko ako? Kahit konting zoom ba?
Pindot to. Yan.
Oh, napakadaming tao. Kita niyo yan? Dami, high tide. Kahit dun sa pwesto natin kanina, madami na. Lamig ng tubig. Oh. Lamig ng tubig. Kuya, here. So you take over. Oh.
It's cold in here.
Okay, malamig. Malamig, di ba? So cold. It's very cold here.
Parang ano. What? As long as you can take the ano. Yeah.
Actually, if you train it with your mom, it's not called that long. It's not big.
Uy. Dami yung tao. Yung tabi. Pero wala pa rin tatawa sa ano ng Pilipinas. Wala pa rin tatawa sa ano ng Pilipinas. Parang may nakakapa akong buhay na shell. Ito, nasa pa ako kanan.
Ha?
Nasa kanan, ito. Ewan ko lang.
Hindi ko makakapa.
Ay, joke lang.
Patay. Patay.
Can you try how swim?
No!
Yeah?
But the side water.
Yeah.
Can I? I don't think so.
Why not? Try it.
Yeah. Can you try how to swim?
Not too far, kuya, ha? Tuwang-tuwa. Come on, splash! Come on, splash, Ria! Come on, more!
Babasahin ko na rin natin eh.
Why? Ganon! Yung pa-splash niya patalikod eh. Baliktad. Kaya may naiiwang tubig, no? Kaya malalim. Ay, may jellyfish! Wait, wait! Ay, oo. Wait, Liam. No. I think it's a box jellyfish. Liam, like this, oh.
Hey!
Oh, kuya, how is it? Uy. What happened?
Hey!
You need to peel.
You do it.
Put
Then put it there.
in. And then you choose.
Red color?
Yeah, thick or... Yeah, thick is better. Oh. Get straw and lid.
Galing din yun.
Take it and get the lid. Straw. Get the straw. It's so nice, Liam. Tastes good.
May video pala.
Oh no, you got it.
Ang ganda ng camera.
Oh my god. Wait, no, put it on me.
Napakakulay, no?
You got me. It's coming over yan. Ah!
Eh?
No. Wait, what?
It's super cute.
Wait. No, I want to keep it. Hey, we are going home.